Hey everybody, today we're going to be unboxing Zippo Genuine Windproof Lighter. It says on the side here, fill with premium Zippo or Ronsonol lighter fuel. It's got a lifetime guarantee. It is made in the USA. There is fire on the eye. On the back, we can see there is a warning, keep it out of reach of children. No lighter is childproof. There is no substitute for proper adult supervision. Lighter does not come pre-filled. See operating instructions inside. Customize it. Upload your photo to a Zippo lighter for that one-of-a-kind gift. It's built to last with muscles. It's reusable. It is pocket-sized. It's got a reliable spark with a check mark. It's easy ignition, and it's like the wind. Let's get it open. It is childproof. But remember, no lighter is childproof, just the package. Almost in. There we go. It's the world's toughest cardboard. Guess it would help if I had some sort of tool to open this. We'll just tear it till I get in. Oh, I can see. I can see it. We're in. Okay. There's our Zippo. It's got a sticker on the back. Take that sticker off so I can open it. Opens up. It's got a wick inside. Got that. It says Zippo 20, Bradford, PA, made in USA. And we also have this piece of paper. Get started. It's got a guarantee. Shows how to fill it with something. There you have it. That's an unboxing of Zippo Genuine Windproof Lighter.